chapter, we will learn how you can remove entities that are linked to other entities. Think through all the necessary use cases of our software. What happens to bids when someone deletes his offer? This is a relevant question. So far, the following entities rely on an offer: the bids to an offer and the notifications about an offer. We must make sure these are deleted as well when deleting an offer. So remember the following line in the offer entity. So we extend editorial content entity base. Let's drill down a bit. So editorial content entity base extends content entity base, and content entity base extends entity base. So in entity base, we can have a look at a delete function. And thanks to these lines,